Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. One day, a professor walked into her philosophy class. She had a big, empty mayonnaise jar. On the table, she placed some items. The students were curious. The professor picked up golf balls. She dropped them into the jar. She filled the jar until it was full. Then she looked at the students and asked, "Is the jar full?" The students nodded and said, "Yes." Next, the professor picked up a box of small pebbles. She poured the pebbles into the jar. She shook the jar gently. Again, she asked, "Is the jar full now?" The students smiled. They said, "Yes." Then the professor grabbed a box of sand. She poured the sand into the jar. She asked one more time, "Now is it full?" This time, the students laughed. They said, "Yes, now it's full." But the professor was not done yet. She took out 2 cans of chocolate syrup from under the table. She poured the syrup into the jar. The sweet liquid filled every last bit of space between the sand. The students burst into laughter. The professor smiled and said, "This jar represents your life." She explained, "The golf balls are the most important things: your family, health, friends, and passions. Even if you lost everything else, life would still be full with them. The pebbles are other important things, like your job, your house, and your car. The sand is the small stuff, like little worries and distractions in life. If you fill the jar with sand first, there's no space for the golf balls or pebbles. The same goes for life. If you spend too much time on unimportant things, you won't have room for what truly matters. Focus on what's important first. The rest is just sand." A student raised her hand. She asked, "What about the chocolate?" The professor grinned and said, "That's the sweet part of life. No matter how full life seems, there's always room for chocolate." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.